Good girl. Good girl, Gina. Good girl. Maybe I'm not walking in the other morning, but it's what it is. Fuck, that's another dog. Okay, again. But we have to be careful of. That dog probably sees, we don't want it to be sprinting across the damn road. It's Peanut. This is why it's also dangerous, because there's also lots of dogs going around. We should be all good. That dog doesn't see anything moving. I mean, hey, if it's trained, then yeah, sure, but okay, girl, see here. You have to go around the other way. Okay. Listen. Jenna. Enough that dog there. Listen, I'll tell you what type of dog it is. Listen, girl, don't you dare pull anything on me right now. It seems to be trained. If it wasn't trained, then it would be scared of those booms of thunder from up in the sky there. It would be scared. It would be. Okay, come here and just walk. Gina, come here. Come here. Good girl. Gotta walk. You're next to me. Got your muzzle on, you're all good. Okay, the dog seems to be a stray. Hopefully we don't run into any strays. It's okay, gorgeous. It's okay. Okay, that dog. I don't know what type it is, but probably smell Juno. Okay, that dog's male, then we're in trouble. Keep an eye on it. Okay. Good. Seems to be called back in. I was right, it was trained. It was, in fact. Okay. And calm. Come on, girl, keep moving. No, we're going down to the park. Let's go down to the park, come on. That dog over there isn't going to give us a damn break here, is it? Look, girl. Don't look at it. Hey, girl, don't make any eye contact with it. Gorgeous girl, there you go. So you guys can now see that dog over there. It's running, it knows something's up. Yeah, this is. Good girl. My hands are tightly with a leash. Good girl. Okay, let's see what time it is. I'll get back home by 7. Come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. I know how to train them. You're all good. So in the morning I'm just wearing some shorts and a t-shirt. Good girl. Good girl, Juno. Good girl. Losing my grip on the leash a bit in the morning. Just walk, but you know, bird. Basically. Be careful here. I don't know what sound that was. Maybe a flight jet or something. move on. We're gonna be at the park. It's all for us, girl. Me. Getting ourselves up. Cool. What are you doing? Get away from that. Guys, she doesn't like the muzzle, but she has to wear the muzzle. She has to wear her muzzle. It's necessary because she has a bit of pitbull in her. My calculations. Those types of dogs banned for seeing a dog, and it isn't trained like that one was. Hey, so you don't want to be outside, I'm outside during the night. Oh great, Australian flag. A lot of people actually do things. Okay, you know, please go, come on. That car's speeding. Oh yeah, hello. Hello, Dad. Thanks for the song. For some reason, the song is not so helpful to me. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Come on. I hate it, I know. Come on. Let's go walk. Okay. Right. People going to work, so you gotta be careful. So then don't look at it, just speeding to work. Time it is. Okay. 6:42, so about time to park. We can just like something coming up. Maybe I could have left it for a little bit slow to be back. Yeah, I don't want to bring anything up. Flashlight or anything. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl. Sorry if the camera quality is bad, guys. It's early in the morning and it's exactly focusing. First vlog in a while, honestly. Now I'm thinking of doing some vlogs that explore my life outside of high school and an editor. Which, you know, I'm not really focusing on the camera, I'm not focusing on my dog and what she's doing. I'm focusing on the camera, which would probably explain the bad quality. So, alright, thinking that we just now turn around. Come on, girl. Come. Now, I don't know if it appears to any of you, but I live here in the Pilbara. Mornings are cool and hate-free and everything. So, this is the park. It's very bad quality, but, you know, don't you dare try jumping down there. I want to get hurt. Look around here. Girl. Be careful doing that. Boy, girl, sit. Jenna, sit. Sit. Good girl. As you see cars all going to work and everything, it's just dead silent. I think I know I'm not here, but sit down. Just sit down for a bit. Beautiful girl. Yeah, my beautiful girl. Okay, a lot of people don't exactly get out this early to walk their dogs. A lot of them do it in the afternoon where, you know, it's just on dark. Oh my gosh, this mess is a bit alarming. But yeah, hopefully you guys actually take time out of your day to watch this vlog, because it's, you know, it's one you can just watch when you want to relax or something. getting out into nature for a bit, just focusing on, just focusing on all this. It's true. You just gotta make sure that you look like your dog. I mean, I'm getting really bad vibes from that right there, but okay, all good. Yeah, sorry if I'm not really sure much, I'm just talking. Can't definitely turn my camera around either, so. You okay? You okay, beautiful girl? Don't want to get a drink? Let's go get a drink. Let me get up. Get up. Alright, let's go, girl. Come on, let's run. Let's go, go. Fill up for you. Get out there. Come on, girl. Come on. Girl, are you not thirsty? Come on, grab a drink. Johnny, this is the only time that you'll be able to get a drink before we head home. Whatever you're focusing on. Focus on the water. Come on. Girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Just grab a drink already. Listen, girl, we're not going to anywhere. We're not doing any of that. Alright? Don't stand that. Come on, get a drink. Come get a drink. Come on, beautiful girl. Get a drink. Come on, beauty. Come on, beauty. Come on, beautiful girl. You gonna get a drink? You feel like getting a drink? Okay. Let's just sit down here for a bit, yeah? Oh my gosh, that was a big fucking. Let's see if you guys can see it from there. I don't know if you guys actually saw it, but. I can't see that this far out in the morning, but. Like, who's to say? So that probably sounds like sort of low. Just trying to give it a profile. Do you know, here. Here you go, here. Sit down. Sit down. Maybe I'll remove the muzzle so you can just drink some water. Okay. Look at that, I just set the camera up. Right here. Sorry about that, guys. The video. Okay, sorry about that, guys. The video cut out. Oi, what are you doing, girl? This side. Get on this side. Guys, trust me, it is hard handling a dog when you have a camera as well. Just make sure that you focus on the dog and not on the camera, because if you're focusing on where the camera is and you won't know what your dog's actually doing. You just make sure that you're not. I know you hate the muzzle down. Come on. Wait. Come on. Trust me, she doesn't like the muzzle. Neither do I like putting it on her. I want her to be free. I want her to be able to pet like a regular dog. I want her to be able to do stuff like a regular dog, but sadly she isn't that. She has like the type of genes that can kill, so she has to wear a muzzle. She's also very protective of me, so she can bark it very easily. The muzzle prevents her from opening her mouth, and she doesn't bark. I know, guys, I know. Ow. Yeah. Still practice. Okay. Let's go, girl. What is it? What are you smelling for? What are you smelling? I love it, I've got a bit of a sniff around, but not much really. Let's go. Let's go, come on. I think she's sniffing around to go toilet. You gonna go toilet? What are you doing? Listen, girl, it's fucking 6:52. We gotta get back, we don't have much time. Come on. Let's go, girl. Time to go home. Let's go home. Come on. Let's go home. I'm going home. Obviously, I'm going to end the recording right before I get to my street because I don't want anyone to know where I live. Now, obviously, no one knows where I live because I'm just showing the road. And, pavement, what do you want to call it? Oh girl, by the end of the walk, she absolutely exhausted. She's just like, after walking for a bit, you get to the point where your legs, they don't feel sore. And we've been having some recording difficulties because, you know, I have an internet killer flying. I don't have much internet right now. Not at all, actually. I'm just recording. All I can do right now is just look at that pretty cloud. It looks so pretty. Come, girl. It's gross. Look how fucking scared the crap out of me. Why, what do you do? Walk alongside me. Been training her to try to walk alongside me. Good girl, let's go. Come on. Good girl. For some reason, after being in the sun for a little bit, calm, I just feel more energized, just a bit more happier. Come on. Let's go, come on. You can't be stopping, girl. You have to get home within 10 minutes. But you can get ready for school. You can be back in the backyard. You can have the biggest drink of your life if you want. Alright? You can do that. Well, it's mainly your back that hurts. After your back, your legs. You know. Get used to walking, your back has to get used to it. You want to walk straight back when you're hunched over and everything. So that dog is all trained out, so they're good. I feel like I should just make some. Girl, come on. Let's go already. Sometimes, you know, he stops to smell at something. He doesn't look next to me. Do you know, is it near your eye, girl? Come here, let me check you. Anywhere near your eye, you look fine. Make sure it's a bit moved over. We'll fix that when we get back to the house, or it's in range of the house. Come on, girl. I know it's uncomfortable. You've got to bear with me here. Come on. Let's go, gorgeous. Come on, gorgeous. How much time am I going to get home? I'm going to get home then. Definitely exhausted here. I've been up since about 2 o'clock. I went to bed at 10. You can imagine how many hours I slept in my head. And I think it's wrong to keep walking. The dog won't stop walking as well. The thing is that if you don't see something, you can train them. Stop when you stop. Let's go. I'm not in the middle run right now, okay, girl? If I could, I wouldn't run. If you're just allowing your muzzle to try to keep them away from stuff, in my experience. Come on, car, girl. I was talking to my parents when I was heading out. I have to be correctly, but I could generally be able to kind of like 6, 5, like cleaning. Up to doing assignments and work without really no work. I might as well just work to my schedule, honestly. What time is it? Okay, it's 6:57. I've got a few minutes to get home, girl. Come on. No. Yeah, the sports. You ignore the barking, you ignore the growling, you out the dogs. How it works. There's a ton of what I just energized and stuff that put vitamin D or vitamin C, I don't know. It's vitamin A or something, I don't know. We're getting my vitamins. Let's go, girl. I'm gonna go let's go. One more time. I'm gonna just start recording here, guys, because I'm gonna go last time, but you can't see the street, you know, it's off, so not exactly much, but you know, I guess I'm just gonna ask this. I probably don't know, guys. So yeah, we're going to be doing my homework or something. I go right down to I don't know, it's like that we can actually see what I do and edit, so but being an editor doesn't mean just anything, you have to squeeze it into the things that you gotta be doing. So I'm just gonna push through that up ahead. Okay, someone's also walking here, though, we're all good. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, see you.